So from the link, you will be taken to this page here where you will need to add your credentials. Before you do that, you will get a pop-up where you need to connect your MetaMask wallet. Now, for those people that have a MetaMask wallet, it is straightforward. Just sign in as you normally do. For those that don't have a MetaMask wallet, there will be a video underneath here to show you how to do that. Once you're signed into your MetaMask, you will then need to be on the network of the smart chain. Now, it's a case of just switching it if you are there. Now, as you can see, I do not have that network in my MetaMask, and it's really straightforward. All we need to do is click network, and you'll be taken to this page here. Now, as you can see, we need to add some details in. Now, the way we get these details is simply head over to Google and just type in smart chain, and then there it is, MetaMask. So just put in smart chain MetaMask. There's the website where you'll be taken to this page here. Now all you need to do is just scroll down, keep scrolling down to the page until you find this information here. This is the information we need. Now what we need to do is just take this information and just copy all of the network information here and then just paste it straight into our MetaMask information there. So now we'll go for the RPC URL. So just copy it, go back over, and then paste that in. And then the chain ID, as you can see there, it's just 56. So I'll just go and get the symbol, which is BNB. So I'm just going to swipe the URL of the blockchain. I'll put in the 56 and the BNB, put in the URL, click save, and then that's it. So now what we need to do is just go to view settings. And as you can see, if I just scroll down, but there's BNB, there you go, there's a smart chain added to our network, and it's the same process to add any other network. And as up on here where it's got account, here you'll see your MetaMask wallet address, which is important for later on. So now your MetaMask is connected, you can log in. What you will then see on your main dashboard is your MetaMask wallet that I've just mentioned before in the top right hand corner here. So from here, now what we need to do is add our AdStaker tokens into our MetaMask wallet. Now the way we do this is just open your wallet and make sure you are on the smart chain network, which you should be anyway. But before we can add the tokens, what we now need to do is get our token contract address added to our MetaMask wallet. Now, the way we do that is if we head over to the documents and frequently asked questions here, and you'll be taken to this document with all the information needed. So with the information, what we need is this contact address. So just copy the contact address, head over to your dashboard, and then open your MetaMask. And what we need to do is go to activity and then scroll right down and click import tokens. And when this box opens, all we need to do is paste. And once you've pasted the address in, it will automatically show the token symbol and the decimal of the token. So once you've done that, then all you need to do is click the add custom token. And once it's added, we just need to import it. And there it is. So if we go back to our accounts, scroll down, we should see somewhere the AdStaker token. There it is there at the bottom, no token. So that is how to add the AdStaker token. So now we've added the token, what we need to do now is either swap the tokens or we need to purchase some. So if you don't have any tokens at all, what you will need to do is you will need to fund your wallet, and you can do that by either, if you have other accounts such as a Binance or Coinbase, then you can transfer coins over to there. But if you're brand new to the MetaMask, then what you will need to do is you can buy them directly from there by clicking the buy button and then following the on-screen instructions. But in my case, what you'll see is I have 54 BUSD tokens in here. So I'm going to use those and I'm going to convert them. Now, what you need to do is convert them to BNB, which is the Binance coin. and then just select swap, and this will automatically come up. So your BSUD, as you can see there, I've got 54. Then underneath, I'm just going to click the drop down and select the BNB coin, which is the Binance coin. And then I'm just going to select all, and then I'm just going to preview. So for that, I'm going to get 0.2 Binance coin for my BUSD. And then it gives you all the gas fees. Again, the gas fees are relatively low, which is good. So once you're happy, you just swap, and then you'll be taken to this window where it's just processing. You can view the activity, or you can just let the process happen. It only takes a few moments for the process to happen, and then as you can see there, transaction complete, and then you just select close. And there you go. As you can see now, I have converted my BSUD, which is approximately $56 worth, and now I have 0.2 Binance coin. So the next stage is we need to now connect our wallet and make a swap on PancakeSwap. Now you can either just Google PancakeSwap if you don't have it, or you can just go to pancake.finance, where you'll be taken to this page, and then all you need to do is select Connect Wallet. And there we have it. That is now your MetaMask wallet connected to PancakeSwap. As you can see, we're on the Binance Smart Chain, and there is your MetaMask wallet address here in the top right-hand corner. And that's it. There is your PancakeSwap now connected to your MetaMask. As you can see there is your wallet address, as it is up here as well. Now, what we now need to do is we need to get our AdStaker coins, tokens. So we need to swap those for our BNB that we have just added. So what we need to now do is, firstly, we need to go over to trade, and then we need to go to swap. And from there, we are already set on BNB. So we'll just leave that on BNB. Now up here, you'll see your balance, whatever you've added into your MetaMask from your Binance or from wherever you've transferred your funds from. Then your balance will become there. Now I'm just going to click on max. So I'm going to put the whole lot in now. There is, of course, a fee there. Now, this is coming up cake. Now, what we need to now do is we need to find and select the AdStaker coin. Now, if you click on there, you'll probably find with it the first time it'll not show up. So let's just try AdStaker. No, it's not. Right, so if that is the case, what we now need to do is go to the documents that we showed you before. So we'll just come over there, and this address that we added to our MetaMask, so the token address, we're just going to copy that, go back to our PancakeSwap, we're going to paste that in, and there you go. Look, we're going to import the tokens. And this is a generic pop-up whenever you come onto your BNP 20 tokens. It's just explaining that anybody, can create a token, so just be careful for any fake or any false coins. So yeah, you agree there, because we know it's coming from a source from the white paper. Understand, import. And as you can see there, now there it is there. So what we're going to do is we're now going to swap our 0.2, which the fee, by the time it's taken the fee off, it's 0.19, and we are going to get 142 AdStaker tokens. So what I'm going to do is click swap, and you'll be presented with there. Just make sure and double check. Again, a very, very low liquidity provider fee, and we're going to confirm swap. So from your MetaMask, again, there's your fees. Again, very low fee. Just going to click confirm. Transaction submitted. You can actually view it on your B-scan. So if you wanted to go onto the B-scan, you can view all the hash and the actual blocks on there. As you can see there, the block is still pending. So I'm just going to click close. Head back over to my AdStaker dashboard and just refresh the page. And after I've just refreshed, look, there is our tokens there. So that is now our account actually got some balance in. So we've now got 142 AdStaker tokens within our account. Now that we have tokens in our balance, as we just mentioned before there, now what we need to do is we need to get them staked. Now, what you do here, what you'll see here is the two boxes on the end. One is the unstake, which I'll talk about a bit later on. This is the one where we need to stake, and it'll say stake more. So this is where we're actually going to stake our AdStaker coins. So what we're going to do is just select that, and this option will come up here. Now here will tell you the amount that you've actually staked. So in this case, we've actually got nothing to stake at the moment. Here is the amount that you can stake, and here it'll show you the balance that we have. So in this case, for me, I've got a small balance of 142 tokens. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stake them all. So you can stake as many as you want. You know, it's entirely up to you. I think the minimum actually is 10. So 10 is the minimum you can do. But I'm going to put all of my balance in there. So I'm going to stake them as 142. And then all I'm going to do is click stake AdStaker. And that crop up box will appear. And it opens your MetaMask. And with the MetaMask, all you need to do is just double check. Again, there is a small gas fee. Go down. Once you're happy, then just click confirm. And that is the transaction now in process. So now we are actually staking our coins. So if I now just refresh the page, and there you go, there is your staking account there of 142 AdStaker tokens. So now with your dashboard now funded with your coins and they're now staking, if you look over on the left hand side, this is on the dashboard, this is where you'll get all the information. Now again, just read through these in your own time. The more information you will get is from the bottom, which takes you directly to the AdStaker website, AdStaker.com, where all the information on exactly how it works it'll be in there. You've got affiliate tools, so if you want to start building, promoting, you've got affiliate tools in there. So you've got your referrals, your history, your ads, and your ad views. And again, the information on how my ads work will be in the on the main website. But for now, what we're interested in is just doing our daily ads. Once you click on the view ads, you'll be taken to this page where all the ads that we need to select are on there. So to review an ad, just click on, and then you'll see the red dot. Just click on the red dot, and it'll open a screen up. Again, I must stress, you can't go onto another screen or another page or another browser. You have to leave this open, otherwise it will just pause it and knock it off, and you'll restart. Now, you'll see up the top left, you've got a time, and normally anywhere between 10 to 20 seconds the ads will last for. Once that one's done, then again, you can just go to view more ads, and it'll take you back to the screen, and then just select another ad. Just straightforward as that. So we'll just do one more. Click the red dot. Let it load. And there you go, 20 seconds for this one. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do 10 ads. That's all you need to do is just 10 ads. I'm going to pause the video and I'll come back once my ads are complete. So now I'm on the last ad, and try and make sure you try and count your ads. Once you think you've done your 10, you can go back to your dashboard and just count how many you've done. So once you're back on your dashboard, all you have to do is just scroll down, and you can see the graphs there. So you'll see you've got the ad views, your stake rewards, which of course will not be showing up just as yet because we've just set up the account. But as you can see, I can't really count. I've done 11. It doesn't make no difference, but you'll only be rewarded for the 10 rewards. So that's how you keep a check on how many ad views you've done in a day. Okay, so that's you now up and running with your AdStaker. And again, feel free to reach out to me if you have any further questions, or again, you do have the AdStaker.com website for all your information. Happy staking.